Karma Guy here. Looking for a reliable ride? Check out this 2017 Subaru Forester 2.5 iSport Utility 4D, a one-owner vehicle with low mileage, only 90,000. It comes with original books included, so you know you're getting a well-loved car. This Forester has a full dealer service history, current Georgia state emissions, and a recent service valued at over $425, including drive belts, fresh oil, and filter. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a Quality Plus warranty, 3 months, 3,000 miles, plus a 5-year maintenance plan offered at a discounted price at the time of sale. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option at a discounted rate. We encourage peer repurchase inspections. Remember, price reductions or discounts will void the CPO warranty and 5-year service plan. This is a premium vehicle. Don't miss out. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten.